Calibrating your game settings to minimize FPS drops in Apex Legends can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your performance. Step 1. Adjusting game settings. Navigate to the Settings menu in Apex Legends. Lower the resolution and set the graphics quality to a lower preset. Disable or reduce settings like anti-aliasing, shadows, and ambient occlusion to improve performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then click on Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help maintain a stable FPS during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature while gaming. Use software like MSI Afterburner to monitor CPU and GPU temperatures. If they're too high, consider cleaning your hardware or improving airflow to prevent thermal throttling. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce FPS drops in Apex Legends and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.